Hi, I'm Ian Hazelwood. We're at Cine Expo 2022, the first show ever. I'm joined by Mark from Idea Vision. Thanks. Well, it's great to see you again, actually.
Hi, Ian. It's a pleasure to be back on the show.
Yeah.
To see the people, to have the crowd around. It's great.
Yeah. Actually, how was the whole lockdown experience? Was it as grim as it has been for a lot of people?
It's always difficult because you don't see the people personally. It's just online. It's not the same like being together like here.
Yeah, exactly. So what's new? You've got some fantastic new products here. Do you want to talk me through a little bit of your latest developments?
It's a pleasure. Here we have our Hybris shock absorber. It's the only shock absorber which is based on a magnet damping. Therefore, like a train is braking, we damping. We have a spring range of 46 centimeters and all will be damped with the magnets there. You can adjust the system on the button, there below, and you can adjust the damping like this, and it goes up and down to your needs. But you can do the same with your app. You go to your mobile phone, if you're inside of the car, you're moving, you see it's driving, it's too slow or it's moving too fast. Therefore, just adjust with your app. You don't need to go outside of the car and you have the immediate effect. Yeah. On top, now we have our compensation axis, which goes up to 30 degrees. It's also a damping mix of silicone and carbon fiber. It's the same for our vibration isolator. It's a mix of damping for high frequency vibrations of silicon and magnets. All this system is without fluids, therefore we have no issues with temperatures. Up to plus 80 degrees, minus 30 degrees Celsius. We have no issues. It's always the same game. You don't need to adjust. You don't have the problems that the fluid's leaking. You have almost no maintenance for all the system, and it's very easy and quick to handle.
Well, that's a bit of your trademark, isn't it? That everything is very ergonomic and a smaller footprint as you can get.
Exactly. The most important is at the end for the customers that they can work efficient. Therefore, it needs to be quick, easy to adjust, and easy to handle. That we are trying this to handle and to cover everything of Idea Vision. And therefore, we have always the new ideas, new technology to set up this in the film industry.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And people's reaction to it been good, has it, so far?
Absolutely. Now we have a few really big films which we have been, Hollywood, everywhere, Fast and the Furious, Dungeons and Dragons. It's getting more popular.
Yeah, that's brilliant. And your existing range of the way you develop all these mounts that are totally unobtrusive. It doesn't require any drilling or anything in a vehicle, does it?
No, we are not damaging anything in the vehicles. We are quick rigged. We are always active. We are absolutely secure. We are saving everything. Therefore, if you want to save your gear, which is always very expensive, like cameras, objectives, take our vacuum system and you're safe because it's all active, measures your power, measures your vacuum supply, and you're good.
And like you say, it's good to get back to actual exhibitions now. We can talk to people. It's good to see quite a few visitors here at the moment. How many shows have you done since lockdown? Is this literally...
That's our second. The first one was at Cine Los Angeles, and now we're here in Munich at the Cine Expo. Let's see what's next.
Did it all come back okay, being able to sell to real people?
Absolutely. It's always good.
Great to see you as ever. Thanks for sparing the time.
It was a pleasure, Ian.
And we'll see you again soon, hopefully.
Let's have a beer together.
Yes.